I can hear you say, it's nice.
Nice.
And in this video, I will tell you how to make the best of the boring Windows theme. Simple. If you click the like and subscribe button at the bottom, before moving on to the video, I will leave you alone. Okay, now let's start with the first step. We type Wii U Advanced System Settings in the Windows. Search tab and click on this. Performance and click Custom. We check all the boxes here. Apply and exit. First of all, we search for My Live Wallpapers from any browser. We will enter the mylivewallpapers.com site at the beginning. After choosing something according to your taste from here, we come down and download the Loft wallpaper we have chosen for the computer. We press the Install Now button at the top and download the launcher. We start installing our setup. Click on the file path in the next tab and create a new folder somewhere you want and complete it. We keep pressing the Continue button. Extract the installed wallpaper from the zip to the desktop. Then we go to the launcher and click on the Live Wallpaper tab from here. In the tab that opens, we press the Browse button next to the file path at the top. We enter our folder on the desktop and select our file. Well, as you can see, it's that easy. If you want, you can add music from the bottom, or you can make the settings according to your own. Now I will show you an easier but a little limited way. First, we open the Microsoft Store. Type Lively Wallpaper in the search field. Install the application I show. After opening the application and deciding on a wallpaper that suits you, click here and select Set as Wallpaper, and that's it.
Oh my God! Wow!
We enter the Microsoft Store again, .fr. Here we type Custom Cursor in the Search tab. We go into our app and click on the More Cursor tab from the top, and it throws us into the browser here. You can choose the type of cursor you want. Or you can choose the theme you like from the collection section. After your selection, press the Add button at the bottom and the Windows button next to it. Then the cursor you selected will come to the desktop application where you can activate it by pressing Apply. If you want to turn it off, you can click on the on/off button here. So that's it, my friends. If you like my video and you want more content like this, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and report any issues in the comments. Thanks you. Bye.